The people that you've seen have successful long-term relationships, what is the thing that you see them do extremely well versus, they forgive each other, they
forgive the emotion. Now the emotion is going to keep you in the past, right? So they have to be able to forgive.
What happens if we don't forgive something that our partner or in a relationship does? If it hurts us, or they said something or they did something, maybe it was really bad or just...
If you can't forgive, you'll never have love.
Wow.
The love that we withhold is the pain that we experience lifetime after lifetime. You know, it's how it is. And then when we master our emotions, we master our creations. So that's a creation. And you have to overcome the memory and the emotion. And when you do, you belong to the future instead of the past.
Oh, man.
So otherwise, well, that's a perfect explanation of karma. You live by that emotion's going to drive a certain behavior and cause you to think a certain way, and you're on the wheel. People are living the same lifetime every day. They're in cycles. So they're living the same lifetime after lifetime because they haven't overcome the emotion. No one's doing that to them. The soul can't go to the future. It can't go if it's stuck in the emotion of the past. So the soul has to overcome the event by overcoming the emotion. Forget what happened. You'll never hear me say to anybody, tell me your story. I will never say that. I would never do that to you.
Wow.
I would say, overcome the emotion. And then the story ends.
Wow.